As mentioned in the previous video, the first two industrial revolutions brought us machines that facilitate mass production. The third industrial revolution, also known as the digital revolution, probably started in 1947 with the invention of the transistor. It delivered computers that help us process information, the internet and mobile phones which help us communicate effectively, and generally speaking, enabled us to be more productive. The fourth industrial revolution, one many believe has already started, brought about by the Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and so on, comes with so-called smart machines, which, instead of increasing our productivity, might, well, replace us altogether. This may sound like a Luddite or even Malthusian fantasy in light of the fact that people feared the same things as of the very first industrial revolution, and while it did destroy lots of jobs in, let's say, agriculture, many more were created, and in the end, all of us are better off. While there's nothing wrong with being optimistic based on historical arguments, we do need to keep in mind that past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results, or in other words, the infamous "this time it's different" statement might eventually be true. There are two main possibilities. One, just like in the past, more jobs will be created than destroyed. This would of course be the optimistic one. But also, two, this time more jobs might be destroyed than created, so implementing something like the universal basic income could prove to be necessary, at least temporarily. As cliche as it may sound, all we can do is wait and see, hope for the best, but prepare for the worst.